Let's make air fryer apple crisps. These are individual cinnamony hot apple crisps that make the perfect little dessert. So first we're going to make the topping. You're gonna mix some flour, old-fashioned oats, brown sugar and cinnamon. We've got some baking powder and salt, and then diced butter. I like to use a fork to kind of mash it up, but whatever utensil you have that you like to use will be fine. You just want to kind of make sure to work that butter in. Once that is combined and crumbly, we can set this aside and mix up the apples. So we have some diced apples, sprinkle some flour, some cinnamon and brown sugar, a little bit of salt, and some melted butter will bring it all together. We're just going to mix that well until the apples are coated. Once the apples are completely coated, we are going to divide them up into the ramekins. You can use any size of ramekin, you just might have to adjust the time a little bit. Okay, once those are full, we are going to divide up the topping onto each ramekin. Once you have the topping on all of them, you can place them on the tray in the air fryer. I found these to work best on the middle level. Just gonna space them out evenly. And then we're gonna air fry for about 15 minutes, but I like to watch it just to make sure that it's nice and bubbly and the top is crisp without being too brown. Once those are ready, carefully pull out the tray. And we have nice, hot, crispy apple crisps. You can always eat as is, or top with some ice cream or whipped cream. Enjoy!